diamonds cold, then my golden clothes. Walking in, it's a show. Walking in, it's a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Ashanterene. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time that I post a new video. It helps me out more than you guys think, okay? So, for today's video, we're going to be talking about how to price your product when first launching your small business. These are tips that I definitely wish somebody would have told me and could potentially help somebody else out, so this is why I'm making today's video. So we're going to go ahead and do 5 tips that I wish somebody told me when first pricing my products when first starting my first business. So we're going to go ahead and start with tip number 1. Research. I'm going to say this a lot in a lot of my videos. Research. You definitely want to research other companies who have the same product as you, a similar product. So if it's lashes, if it's food, if it's hair, if it's sneakers, whatever it is, you definitely want to research what other companies are doing when it comes to their prices. So you don't want to go selling a pair of lashes for $20. That's just not realistic. If you're not a bigger brand already, you definitely do not want to price it way too high. So when it comes to pricing and first launching your business, always start somewhere in the middle or start low. So that is something that I made the mistake on. I did my research, but I didn't go in depth with my research to actually know, you know what I mean, how I should be pricing my product. So that goes with tip number 2. Start low and build your business up. So when you're first starting, it's gonna suck, but you're gonna have to start your business off low. So maybe start with something off with $5 lashes and then go up by that way. So you can go $5 and then go up to $7 and then go up to $10. So the main thing when it comes to starting your business is to push your product. I'll say that. Pushing your product is going to be one of the biggest things when first starting your business. It's all about marketing. Marketing is everything when it comes to a business because you want to bring people in, you want to bring customers in, you want to get your name out. So if it's with a reasonable price, people are more likely to spend their money on you just to say that they have supported, or or whatever, you know how people are, whatever. So definitely start low and then build yourself up. That time frame of when you want to build yourself up is completely onto you. You are the business owner, so you make your own rules. And that is the joys of having your own businesses. You can do what you want. So tip number 3. Your quality of your product matters. So if you are wanting to sell t-shirts, don't go selling $40 t-shirts and it's just a regular iron-on t-shirt. Don't do that. Nobody's gonna purchase your t-shirt. If your quality is a nice workout t-shirt and it's something stitched in, definitely include that in your prices. You don't want to lowball it too much, but you definitely want to have the prices somewhere in the middle so you can say, these are not your original Walmart t-shirts. These are stitched jackets. These are stitched hats, whatever you want to say. So you definitely want to include that into the price. So tip number 4, supplies. So personally, I include the prices of the supplies in my, I don't know how to say that. How do I say it the right way? So when I made my prices, I included the price of the product or the supplies in my price. If that makes sense? I hope that makes sense. So if I go get a box, I'll buy them wholesale. I'll figure out how much that one box costs and I'll include that dollar and some change inside my price. Does that make sense? So it's like I'm getting my money back for almost everything that I'm putting in. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Also, we're gonna go ahead and with tip number 5, giveaways and challenges. is a big one. So when you're doing giveaways and challenges, you will lose a little bit of money because you're trying to market, you're trying to push your product out there. So do you want to do a $5 giveaway or something, or do you want to do like a raffle or something so you get all this money in for people to win this prize? Say I'll do a giveaway or a raffle for $10 a ticket, and they'll get 200 lumpias, a party tray for $200 or something like that. I probably won't be doing that, so don't don't look forward to it, but that's something too. So these tips definitely could help you out when starting your business. If it does, make sure you comment down below, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to let me know that you guys actually like this type of content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Whether be your main thing